In the past couple of days, a couple people have asked me, how do you check your transcripts in eschools to make sure that you have what you need for renewal? And so I wanted to quickly show you how you do that. You need to get to eschools. You can do that through our webpage. You can also do it through the county webpage, or you can do it through the intranet. And when you get to the intranet, the www, you need to go to business applications. And then you'll scroll down to eschools. So again, that's business applications and eschools. Once you log into eschools, your ID is your employee number, and your PIN should be the last 4 digits of your social. My view is going to look a little different than yours, so let me switch that real quick. So this is what your view should look like when you log in, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to My Transcript. If you are renewing this year, the date you need to put in to start your transcript search is 7/1/2013, since it's a 5-year cycle. And then for the end date, you would just use today. Obviously, as the school year goes on, you can change that to further in the future. And then all you do is hit display. And then this shows you down here what kind of credits you have. You can print the report as well. It'll show you in a different format. But if you keep scrolling down, it tells you the different type of credits you have in each area. So this is academic subject area. I have 2.8, digital learning, 2.4, and so on and so on. So you just keep scrolling down. It tells you what you have in each category. If you need help knowing how many you need per each category, let me know and I can help you with that. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know.